Hi guys, it's me. I'm so happy to have you here. So I am doing a fabulous artistic art journal collaboration with an artist called Kansi, and she is from a topserenityheal.com, so you guys can check her out too. And she reached out to me, and we are going to use prompts and 15 minutes to create a page. So these are the prompts that we picked out. If you're interested, you can absolutely download her prompts that are already done to you, so that'll save you some time. But I love using prompts. They're so fun, and you never know what combination you're going to get, and it just helps your brain to think in a different way and to put materials together in a different way. So I love prompts. I think it's such a fun thing to use when you're creating art, and especially in your art journaling process. So I also did a video too where I made my own prompt card, so I'll link that below in the PDF. But for this collaboration, we picked out stamp, watercolor, and rainbow. So this is the page that inspired that. It's 15 minutes. I hope that you join in. If you do, please tag us. I will have all of her information, her Instagram, so you can check it out, and my Instagram. So if you try this, please tag us, and please check out her video, which will be in the description. So I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes using these supplies. And this is what I came up with. And I was very surprised. I actually had 30 seconds left, and I just love the way it turned out so much that I didn't even do anything else to it. But it's so much fun, and I think 15 minutes is a really good amount of time to get a lot done. I've done challenges where it's like 10 minutes or 5 minutes, and you definitely feel the pressure. But 15 minutes, you can kind of relax. I think you have more time to think. So this is going to be an ongoing collaboration with her, so I'll join in again for sure when she's doing it with another artist. But I'm super happy that you're here. I hope that you enjoy the process. And this page, I just want to talk a little bit about it. Of course, it's rainbow, so I thought about making a rainbow, but I wanted to push myself a little further and just write the words that represented a rainbow. And then I also did rainbow colors. So I love to kind of think outside the box, and I think that that's what prompts kind of provide you with, is that you're able to kind of think in a different way. So I hope you enjoyed the process of this video, and let's get started. Of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth.